हे गाइस, इट्स मी जानवी। आप लोगों का फिर से स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल जानवी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट में। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक जन्माष्टमी स्पेशल कन्हैया की ड्राइंग बनाने वाले टुडे। सो लेट्स टू गेट स्टार्टेड। बट स्टार्ट करने से पहले जल्द से जल्द वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और वीडियो फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव सबके साथ शेयर करिए। तो चलिए तो ड्राइंग स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो गाइस लेट्स टू गेट स्टार्टेड। A3 साइज का बुक है मेरे पास और यहाँ पे मेरे पास स्केच पेन है और जस्ट मैं स्केच निकाल देती हूँ पहले। डायरेक्टली कलरिंग नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज आई कॉन्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैन। और यहाँ पे मैं डायरेक्ट पेन से नहीं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, डायरेक्ट स्केच पेन्स एंड तो यहाँ पे मैं फटाफट मतलब मैं ड्रॉ कर लेती हूँ मेरा जैसा स्केच है, मैं जैसे करना चाहती हूँ। तो जैसे जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ जैसे ऐसे वैसे आप जस्ट मुझे फॉलो करिए। नोज, आईज मैं जस्ट काउंट आउट करूँगी मतलब मैं क्या क्या ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ। सेकेंड आईज, ऐसे नहीं कि मैं साइलेंट ही रहूँगी। हाँ ओके, आफ्टर दैट आई एम ड्राइंग लिप। आफ्टर दैट आई एम ड्राइंग नाउ हेयर। बम्बटी बम शेप में ड्रॉ करना है और लेफ्ट साइड में हमें ऊपर जो बम्बटी बम होगा वो बहुत बड़ा रखना है बिकॉज इन दैट वी हैव गोइंग टू ड्रॉ स्मॉल स्मॉल स्टोन्स लाइक इट। and now we have to draw a piece of a more small मतलब बड़ा small, that's it's on your choice it। and after that now body निकाल देती हूँ मैं पहले। तो ये ज्वेलरी है, one medium बम्बटी बम, big again medium। after that you have to draw circles in that and one circle again and one like a stone of it and just again circle। and after that now I am drawing on a hand। now second hand, just follow me, easy 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 everything। I'm teaching you by step by step, it's very easy। now it's like looking like a belt of it and just you have to make like this only, same however you want to make you can make। after that मैं नीचे का part just I will draw it, but first of all I am making your pot like this। now first pot completed, second pot like this is also now completing and just complete। now we are going to draw some designs on it because it will look like a pretty bumbati bum shape and here we are going to take a very flat bumbati bum shape। okay, so like this our pot is ready। now just I'm going to draw first of all legs। now it's compulsory that we have to needed sketch pens, yeah, otherwise you can use marker pen, yeah, if you're having bold black pencil that you can use like this we have to draw। I am using black sketch pen because on the crayons the pencil did not looks very perfectly, it's not look very good, so I am using sketch pen like it। now just fingers I'm going to draw because that is also that is only left it and just I'm drawing very easy। and all my drawings craft you can make by own and just upload it on my Instagram ID, you can do it and I am going to put your photo on my YouTube channel also, just that all also know that how is your drawing beautiful, just okay। and after that I'm going to just my drawing is completed and I did not have forgotten to tell you that my ID I'm going to give you down only here in video only and you can see and just search me and just upload your photos on my Instagram personal profile and just it's very pretty and you have to tell your name also, because I can't understand then who is it. Don't forget to do this on Instagram. After the drawing is completed, now let's to get started to coloring. So here I am taking a light blue color. If you are not having like this the light blue color, then you can take a medium light blue also, that otherwise you can take cobalt blue also. Now I'm going to fill up it on the body like it, fast, just follow me the coloring. And we are going to do it very pressurely, yeah, because in this drawing we are not going to blend nothing, and just I'm doing very perfectly, because it's looking like a blended only, because I'm not blending, it's looking pretty. So just do it little pressure on the on your crayon and just do it. So like this way, I'm doing the light blue color, and just we are going to fill up it in all the body, just not only the like their stomach is there. Now I have filled it on the hands also. Now inside the part is remaining on the jewelry also, that जहाँ जहाँ मतलब space है, just I'm going to fill up it there also. एंड स्पेशली जन्माष्टमी स्पेशली जो ड्राइंग है, अगर वो आप इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करोगे मेरे प्रोफाइल पे आप बनाकर, तो जस्टली डोंट फॉरगेट इट, मैं आपका यूट्यूब चैनल पे इतना मतलब आपका रिस्पॉन्स देने वाली हूँ, जस्ट यू विल बी हैप्पी. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू post a photo of this drawings on Insta. Not only this only drawing, you can post any your crafts drawings that you have see and making from my channel, from not other channel. Just now after completing my color blue, just I'm taking red color and just I'm filling up the belt. Now in the on the pant also, which is this, I'm using red color only. Now I have completed both the sides, you can see. Now the border which I have drawn, I'm going to fill up it by orange color. If you don't have orange color, you can use dark in orange. Otherwise I don't think so you can use, I don't think so it will be look better in the orange color. You can use deep yellow color, it will be look nice, only deep, otherwise medium yellow, not used to lemon yellow, because we have been doing that downwards. You can see I'm using now light color, means lemon yellow, light yellow, nothing else. So like this I'm going to fill up it on there. So I've completed the work. Now I'm taking again orange color, just a little dark orange color I have taken, and now again I'm going to take yellow color, and on the jewelries wherever there is needed yellow color, that I'm just doing it coloring like that, you can see, and just do it like this, and just to doing to all of the jewelries fast and fast. Like this. You can see, and just very nice I think so, and the stones that it which circles, and just I'm filling up with the red color. There is no light color, red color, not light and dark. This is only the name of the color is a primary red color, just you can use that only, nothing else is there. And just I have drawn the small circle, I'm filling it that also, and just everything I have filled. And now I'm going to color the pot. Now here I'm using pink color, not a baby pink color. Just now I'm going to do that bumpity bum jo shape hai, I'm filling in that only, nothing else. Now just like me, follow me, and like this. Second one is completed. Now I'm doing the third one. Okay, so here I have finished 3. Now just I'm going to take now next color only. Now I have taken a maroon color for darkness. I'm not going to take very light in colors. Just it should be taken the bright colors also. Like this I am taking dark in, so not bright, is this is in dark. जस्ट मरून कलर्स इन द बम्बटे बम जो शेप है हमारा सेकेंड जो हमने बॉर्डर ड्रा की है उसकी जस्ट आई एम फिलिपिंग एंड दैट एंड दिस इज माई पिंक डार्क पिंक आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड दिस नेम ओनली आई फॉरगेट इट ओ सॉरी आई थिंक सो समथिंग इज फ्रॉम सी एंड आई एम फिलिंग इन दैट पॉट रिमेनिंग जो पार्ट है जस्ट मैं उसे फिलअप कर देने वाली हूँ और ना अब मैं टेक फाइनली बेबी पिंक कलर. This is not my favorite, but I see something where it's my favorite. Just filling it and upper side also and just I want to say that कि red color में ना लो और yellow blue में shades please don't take and green also. और बाकी की वॉयलेट पिंक है और कुछ अलग से कलर्स है आपके पास जस्ट यू कैन यूज़ दैट ऑल्सो मेकिंग एन अनदर कलर by shading it and just you can do that. Now I'm taking a violet color for next pot and just I'm taking very light purple, I mean violet only, nothing. And I have using this all crayons from 50 shades of the crayons. Just I'm having that only. If you're not having very light purple, then you if you want that color you can use medium violet color and after that you can use white color on it and just fill up it and you can have a light purple. Now after using medium violet, now I am taking dark violet color and just filling wherever I want to fill up where is remaining part and I have filled up it. Now finish the pot work. Now I have done to body and didn't know why did not do on the face. Now just I'm going to try on the face color. Now let's get started. Like this I'm doing and fast just go on it and just my color is finished. Now I'm using black color for the hair. Now I'm going to fill up it to wherever I want to fill up this full hair को कलर करने वाली just like this in the way and फटाफट मैं कर देती हूँ. Now I fill up the color of the black everywhere on the hair. Now I'm going to use again black color for the eyebrows and nothing only eyebrows. I'm going to use again for the eyes also just now. Now on the जो मतलब फर्स्ट हमारा आई है उसके बाद सेकेंड हमारा जो मीडियम साइज़ का जो बॉल है मतलब बॉर्डर है बड़ी उसमें अंदर हमें जस्ट वी हैव टू फिल अप द कलर लाइक इन द वे and in the circle we are going to give a brown color. I have the you can use dark brown color because it should be look like a brown color and just after that I'm going to use your black crayon and just I'm going to draw it. We can see it's very looking ugly eyes only not face full. Just now I'm going to fill up it full and just in video we can't see little of brown also but in real I can see it. Now I'm taking again the pink color for the lips. पिंकिश वोट ना हो तो क्या फ़ायदा इस वोट का गाइस बताओ कमेंट में किस किस के है एकदम पिंक. सो आफ्टर दैट लिप्स को कलर करने के बाद जो उसमें आप में हमारे मोर पीस को जो कलर करने वाली हूँ जो अब यहाँ पे मैंने लीफ ग्रीन कलर यूज़ किया. आपके पास ये कलर ना हो तो आप डायरेक्टली लाइट ग्रीन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एनी ऑप्शन dark green light green it's another matter it. Now yellow dark blue light blue everything colors I've used for the piece of the peacock of that more. Now our drawing is full completed, coloring is full completed. Oh my god. So guys हमारी जो drawing है कन्हैया की वो complete हो चुकी है. आप देख सकते हो इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. मुझे ना लग भी नहीं रहा है कि मेरे डॉग एक्चुअली बिकॉज इट्स सो वेरी क्यूट एंड वेरी फैंटास्टिक. यू कैन सी इट. आपको भी ये ड्राइंग अच्छी लगी तो जल्दी से जल्दी वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और ये वीडियो आपके फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव सबके साथ शेयर करिए. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, अब तक के लिए बाय.